Hey everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can make a straight line on your Instagram story. But before we start this video, please like this video and subscribe to this channel. Turn on the bell notification thing so you won't miss a video from us. Okay, so let's get started with the video. We are going to open up the Instagram app. I'm just going to do that, and I'm going to press the plus button to select a story. Okay, and then to create a line, you're just going to click anywhere right now on the screen, and then you're going to go to the symbols. So go to the numbers of your keyboard first, and then you're going to again select the symbol part, and you're going to select this one, and you're just going to create a super long line depending on how long you want it to be. I'm just going to make it so it's just a line, and that's pretty much it really. I'm just going to adjust it. You can basically add a text on top of it if you want to, and you can kind of make it really cool, add in stickers and stuff like that. It's totally up to you what you want to put on this line. You can even, let me just draw another line here. Oops. Okay, why is it now like that? Oh, because it's the signature one. Make sure it's under Modern Classic. Squeeze works as well. Make sure the font you use is the right one. I'll just do Modern for this for now, because if it's the signature one, it will leave a space to it. But if that's the style you want, you can go for it as well. You can rotate it too to create a horizontal line. Is that a horizontal or vertical? Okay, that's horizontal, I think. I don't know. Oh no, that's a vertical line. Anyways, you can do that, and then create kind of a table if you want to. But yeah, that's how you can create a straight line on your Instagram stories. It is super simple, but I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. So that is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.